In today's video, I'm going to teach you add your board in Chrome. To get started, open your board in Chrome so you have the best compatibility and the smoothest editing experience. Using Chrome can help avoid display issues and makes it easier to work with interactive elements on the board. Once your board is open, take a quick moment to look over the workspace and make sure you're in the right area before adding anything new. This helps keep your layout clean and makes the next steps much easier to manage. Next, place a structural framework template onto the board. You can use something like a SWOT framework or a McKinsey 7S model, depending on the type of analysis or presentation you want to build. The purpose of this template is to give your board a clear structure, so your ideas are organized in a way that is easy to understand at a glance. When positioning the template, try to place it where there's enough room around it for notes, labels, and connections. A well-placed framework creates a strong visual foundation and helps guide the viewer through your content logically. After that, begin adding color-coded sticky notes for client inputs and recommendations. This is where the board starts to become more informative and easier to interpret. Use one color for client inputs and a different color for recommendations, so viewers can immediately tell the difference between what was provided and what is being suggested. As you add each sticky note, keep the wording concise and readable. Short, clear phrases are usually more effective than long blocks of text, especially in a visual workspace. Also, try to place each note near the relevant section of the framework so the relationship between the idea and the category is obvious. Finally, connect the stages of the framework using directional arrows to show the process flow. This step is important because it turns a collection of elements into a guided visual story. Arrows help the viewer understand the order of ideas, the progression between stages, and how one part of the process leads into the next. Make sure the arrows point clearly in the intended direction and avoid crossing too many lines if possible, since that can make the board feel cluttered. A clean flow makes the entire presentation easier to follow and more professional. Once everything is in place, you'll have a board that is structured, visually organized, and ready to communicate your analysis clearly.